Yeah, I'm Chris Lentz, and this is my F-150 jet truck. It's powered by a Motorlet M701C. It's built in Czechoslovakia. Puts out 1,960 foot-pounds of thrust. It's approximately 22 to 27 horsepower, 2,700 horsepower. Burns 1 to 5 gallons a minute. I run kerosene. It will burn on diesel, biodiesel, gasoline, jet fuel, either one. And it's been one of my projects that I've been wanting to do since I've been a kid. And got to that point where I come across an engine, and got the engine, and I purchased a truck to put it in, and assembled it as it is, and it runs great. Had a lot of fun with it.